Hi, I'm Conrad McKenzie with CGM Realty Inc. and I run a brokerage and I also teach real estate. So I see the expectations every single day when someone get into the business. And I'm here to tell you what works and what does not work. Real estate can absolutely change your life, but it's not quick money. It's not fast money. It's skill money, consistent money, follow-up money, and being willing to do what it takes to get the deal done money. I see the expectation versus reality every single week. New agents have been in the business for many years. They all develop this mindset. First expectation is I'll get my license and I'll just immediately start getting deals. That's not true. A license is pretty much a permission to work. What you need to have is a daily plan that you're going to consistently execute on a daily basis. Get a mentor, have him work with you and teach you exactly what you need to do to get things done. An example is if you like to talk to people face to face, maybe you want to get into door knocking and you have a door knocking plan that you execute every single day. Or if you like talking on the phone, maybe you focus on cold calling, focusing on expired listings because those sellers are more motivated and ready to go. Expectation number 2, I'll close 2 to 3 deals within my first month. That timeline is unrealistic. Within your first 30 to 60 days, you need to start understanding the way the business works. You need to have your mentor show you how to read contracts, how to talk to buyers, how to talk to sellers, and number one, how to prospect. You have to have a really solid game plan and prospecting in order for you to start closing deals in this business. Real estate is a pipeline business, and before you start closing within the first month or two, your 30, 60 days plan, you need to start considering how you're going to fill your pipeline with business. So the first thing you should worry about is building up that pipeline before you can start closing any deals. Expectation number 3, I don't want to call people. I just want to post online. I get this all the time as a real estate broker. A lot of times I meet agents and they want to focus on, oh, do you focus heavily on social media? And I told them we have a balance. What we focus on is communicating with buyers and sellers and renters, right? The people that are closing the most deals are those that are picking up their phone and they're calling people, they're following up, they're asking questions, they're setting appointments. Posting online definitely help. I always say social media is a great way to get more people into your pipeline. But if you really want to close in real estate, you want to focus on having conversations on the phone. You want to call, you want to text, you want to email, you want to follow up. You want to have conversation. It's all about building relationship with people. Expectations number 4, my broker will do everything for me. Now that is also another unrealistic expectation because your broker should be your go-to person for training, mentoring. I always say find a broker that is a great mentor, but at the end of the day, they will give you the playbook, but they cannot run the plays for you. It's really up to you to have that drive, have that mentality to want to finish and win big. And that's what real estate is all about. Being able to get that call and someone says, no, I'm not interested, but you're still have the energy and the drive to go make another call and another call after that. So your broker is just there as your mentor, just your guidance, but it's up to you to pick up the phone and make those calls, set those appointments, and go out there and close your deals. If you want to make real money in real estate, this is what actually works. Number 1, you need to get leads. You need to work with your mentor and then come up with a game plan and start receiving leads. Then you want to work on follow-up system. How do you follow up with these leads? How do you turn these leads into actual appointments and close deals? Next thing you want to do, and this is super important, you want to make sure that you're working on your skill. Practice script, how to talk to buyer, how to talk to seller on a weekly basis, 2 to 3 times a week, so you can get better at understanding how to answer questions, develop more knowledge. The board offers a lot of great classes on this. Your broker should also have classes where they teach you and help you improve your skills. If you're a new agent and you want a simple weekly blueprint on how to be successful and how to make real money in real estate, comment below real or send me a direct message and I'll send one over to you right now.